Come on, bro. Let's go, bro.
Maggy, Maggy, Maggy.
Hey, wonder whose house is this?
I don't know. Let us check.
Hello? 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 Anyone here? Anyone here? Hello? What? Shit! Ah! Wonder how long in that?
I don't know. Come, let's go.
We can't stay here, but let's sit a little bit, man.
No, we got to move. Let us move.
Alright. Let's find
Find somewhere else.
Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Hello? Hello? Hello? Is anyone here? Feeling like a bad man. Let's rest here for the night, man. Hey,
Hey,
what happened to your hand?
oh, brother. I got bitten.
Shit! Shit!
You have anything in the bag can help?
Shit! Oh, shit! What am I gonna do now, man?
I don't know.
Can't believe it, bro. Let me see if I can dress it for you. Let's stay here for the night, man. What's this? Looks like cooking oil, right?
You sure?
Not even sure, but at least we'll find somewhere we can rest for the night.
I'm so tired.
Hold on. Let me see if I can stop the bleeding. Shit.
It hurts, brother.
Hold on, man. That will stop, at least stop the bleeding. Man, can't believe you were bitten, man.
That shit's hurt.
Damn. Can't believe you were bitten, man.
Can't believe either.
Damn.
So what are we gonna do?
Need to get to my family. And you need to find your family as well, right? So
Right.
both of us need to find our family. Right? But the hardest thing is to get to them. But we have to find a way. We gotta find a way.
That's true.
I can't believe this one, right?
Can't believe either. So, what's going on? Jamaica just suddenly take a turn. Can't believe.
Bro, this is not Jamaica again, man. I don't know where this is, but this is not Jamaica again. I mean, after the hurricane, the waters were contaminated by the dead animals. And people were selling dead meats and so forth, you know what I mean? Like dead chicken, and you know, people need chicken to eat, so. But you know, to tell you the truth, I'm just speculating because I really don't know what really causes this disease. Trust me.
So what is the name of the disease?
What's the name of the disease? I heard they say it's cholera, but I mean, the behavior of the people, like, it's unbelievable, you know. That's not really the symptom of cholera. I mean, cholera don't let you behave in that manner, that boisterous manner, as if they are zombies or something.
Damn.
I really miss my family, man.
I know. I really missed mine too.
Let's try to get some light inside here. It's really sad, man. Can't believe Jamaica take this turn, man. Trust me, this is like a dream or like a movie or something. Can't believe it. Let me get some water, please.
Here.
This is your boss.
Show us some fun.
What's that sound?
I don't know. I think you should go and check.
Sound like someone is crying. Here's the water. Let me see. Let me check.
Is there anyone out there?
No, but that sounds like a lady screaming or something. Oh, we have 2 rounds left in this mag. So I gotta load it up. Hey, get some rest. Gotta move out early in the morning. So we're gonna listen. We're gonna see if we can go through the hills up in Nampel Road and cut across and see if we can go to Savannah Lamar. And then we're gonna have a far walk from there to go to St. Elizabeth.
Oh yeah.
Let's get some rest from now, right?
Okay.
Daylight. What's up? Shit. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Bro, I got to get you some help.
I'm hungry. I'm hungry. And inside I feel so happy now.
I'm very hungry too. Bro, what a fool. It's all done. Just drink some water.
Yeah, pull it for me.
I gotta get you some help, bro.
Yeah, what are we gonna do?
I really don't know, but there must be somewhere where we could get some help for you. It's not working.
Bluetooth.
That ends well. If there's anyone out there and you're not infected, please find yourself at the Black River Shelter. I repeat, please find yourself at the Black River Shelter. It is heavily guarded by soldiers and policemen.
Wonder if that's where our family
Please,
are.
please be safe. Please.
Let's go. Stand up! Go, let's go.
Bro,
Yeah. What happened?
I'm so tired, bro.
Alright, let's get some rest. Ah, shit. Damn. This is crazy, brother. I can't believe something like this really happened to Jamaica, man. Oh, let's get some water. So hungry, man. Ah. Damn. This is crazy, brother. What is really happening to those people?
I don't know.
Still bleeding, man.
It's bleeding a lot.
Shit, your flesh is pouring out, bro.
Yeah. What are we gonna do?
Need to get some help for you, bro. I can't get no signal. There's no signal right here, bro. Can't get any signal, bro. I'm trying to call 911.
Try it.
Damn.
It's going through.
No, not at all. Not at all, bro. Hello? 911? Hello? Hello? Can you hear me? Hello? Shit.
What happened, bro?
The call dropped, man. No signal. Man, Hurricane Melissa is one of the most dangerous things ever happened to us here in Jamaica, man. I mean, after such a devastating hurricane, now we have a breakout. Huh?
Tiam,
What kind of disease is this, man? Bro, let's get going. We need to find our family. Alright? I promise you, we will find our family, man.
here, pull it for me. Oh.
It's gonna be okay, man. Don't worry. Let's get moving. I know you're tired, bro, but we have to get some help for you, and we're gonna find our family, man. Right?
Let's go.
We're gonna find our family, man.
You hear that, bro? Sound like someone crying for help. Look, bro, there's a lady out there.
We gotta be careful, bro. Hello? Miss? Hello, miss? Miss?
Hello?
You okay? Ah! Step back! Come on, bro. You okay, man?
I'm tired, bro.
Alright, let's find somewhere and take a rest.
Damn, this hurricane totally destroyed everything in this community.
Man,
Wonder if everybody is alive.
I don't know, man. Probably not. But I know the disease also, Did some damage.
Yeah. So where are we gonna go?
Let's take a rest over that house. Damn, this place reminds me of a ghost town, man. Damn. Don't even know what happened to my house.
Don't even know what happened to mine either. I don't know.
This is sad, bro. Need water?
Yeah.
Very good.
Oh shit.
Hello! This is like a dream, man.
Can't wait to wake up.
Telling you, bro. Man, I can't believe this, man. I can't believe that. Things just change. You know, so suddenly, you know what I mean? Jamaica is not the same.
Yeah. Hey bro, you could check if you have any service or any signal on your phone. I wanna call my wife and see if my kids is okay and my wife is okay, because I just hope and pray that my wife and my kids is at the shelter in Black River.
No service, bro. Oh shit! 1 bar. I have 1 bar, bro.
Oh really?
Yeah. Come and see if you can make that call. 1 bar. Make the call, make the call. I need to call my family too, so hurry up, bro.
Yo,
Shit.
seems like it dropped.
Shit.
Hold it bro.
Oh, 1 bar again, 1 bar again. Let me see if I can call my family. Alright, call your family first.
Your call has been forwarded to an automatic voice message system. At the tone, please record your message.
Voice, man.
When you have finished recording,
Let
you
me
may
call my
hang up
wife first.
or
Again.
Hello, babes.
Hey, Stacy.
I'm so happy to
Hey.
hear from you.
You guys okay?
We're okay. We're at
Yes. Me and Mike out here right now searching for you guys. Where are you guys?
the shelter.
At the shelter?
Black River High School.
Yes. Is my daughter and is my family there too?
Everybody is here and we're all safe.
Yes. All right, we're heading. We are trying to. Yes, bro.
So,
Let's go.
yeah, let's go.
Let's go.
Here.
Totally, they're safe, man. Let's go. Hold on. Anything here that we can take with us, man? Come on, look, bro. Let's go. Let's go. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Yes. Yes. Totally, they are okay, bro. I know they were okay, bro. Yes. Don't come any closer, now. Stay right there. Come on, come on. Come on, bro. Come on.
Hey, bro. Is there a helicopter?
Hey!
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 Bro, look like it's landed.
Let's go, let's go. Let's go.
Hey! Hey!
Shit, man.
Bro.
Hey! Yeah.
Bro. Hey, bro. Come on, bro. Let's go. Let's go, bro. Is everything gonna be okay, bro? Bro, get up. Get up, bro. Come on, bro. Hey, bro. Let's go. That way is south. And we need to head that way, bro. Come on. Let's go, bro. Bro, let's go.
Come on, man.
We gotta keep moving, bro. Let's go, bro. Everything gonna be okay. It's gonna be alright. Trust me, bro.
I know, man.
Let's go, bro. It's rough, bro.
Tough, man. Hey, bro.
Hot, bro.
Looks like we have food.
Oh.
Yeah.
Finally, bro.
Finally, bro. Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Hold on. I know I have a knife right here, man. Oh yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Bro.
Let's go. Yeah, man. Man, I can't believe this helicopter left us, man.
Yeah.
We're gonna find our family, man, and you know, we're gonna get to that shelter and see them. They are actually there, man. I believe that. They are okay.
I believe too,
Your
bro.
daughter is okay. Your wife is okay. And my family, they are all okay. Yeah, man. Hey.
What really happened to Jamaica, bro?
You can see, bro, we had a hurricane. After the hurricane, then we are now having a breakout. You know what I mean? This is like, trust me, I can't believe it.
Bro,
We gotta find our family at that shelter, bro.
how many miles do you think we have left?
We have around 10 more miles left to reach the Black River. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go.
Hold on, bro. Bro, I'm gonna have a leak, bro.
Alright, go ahead. Hey, bro, you okay, man?
Yes, bro. I'm okay.
What happened? Hey, man. Blouse and skirt, my general. What happened? Oh, man.
It's okay, bro.
That's blood, man.
Yeah, I know. But I'm fine. It's okay.
Oh, man. Hey. You need some water, man?
No, bro. I'm okay. I'm okay.
Come on, man. Hold on. I'm sorry.
Oh.
Sorry, man. Come on, man. Let's go. Sorry. Sorry I hurt your hand, man. Take your time, man. Damn. Come on, you gotta be okay, man.
Hey, bro. Look. There's a body over there.
Oh, shit.
Damn. Bro.
Let's go, let's go. Damn. Come on, man. Oh, damn. Hey, look. There's a bottle right there. I'm gonna check it out, bro.
Go ahead, bro.
Maybe something valuable in that pocket right there. There's some money right here, bro.
I see, bro.
But we really don't have any use for money anyway. Damn. Think, man.
What is that, bro?
Some rum.
Bro. Maybe you could use that money to pay the chopper to bring us to Black River to see our family, bro.
Yeah, you're funny, bro. This place is abandoned, bro. Where's everyone, though?
I don't know, bro.
Hello, is anyone here?
I'm so tired, bro.
We're gonna rest here for the night. What it's closed to.
Hello?
Everywhere is closed, bro.
Who are you people?
What?
You're infected.
No, we are not infected.
I don't want you at my place. You need to leave right now.
No.
Stay away. Leave my premises right now.
We're not infected.
I said you guys must leave my premises right now. Leave.
Ma'am, we are searching for somewhere to stay for the night. We are not infected. We are searching for a family. We are
No.
trying to get to the Black River where the safe shelter is to find our family.
I don't want to hear
I'm telling you, ma'am.
nothing at all from you guys.
We're okay.
All
Look,
of you
look.
guys, shut the hell up in my place. All of you guys got the J virus in Jamaica. You need to leave my place right now before I get crazy.
Ma'am,
Look,
listen.
and I'm serious. Look in my hand.
This is my
Don't even touch my grill. I'm serious.
Yes.
Leave.
this is my friend right here.
I can see that he's bleeding. You
No,
have the virus too. Also, you.
I don't have any virus. Look, I'm okay. Look, he's okay. Look, we're okay. Look,
Listen, how can you convince me to believe you that you don't have the virus?
no, we're
Let me
okay.
have a look in your eye. Hang on a bit. I'm coming.
There's really someone out here, okay, man. She looks okay to me.
Let me see in your eyes. I don't want to touch you. Open up your eyes yourself.
You see, I'm okay. See,
No, don't talk in my face. I'm scared. I don't want you to touch me either. Open your eyes yourself. Don't touch me. I'm scared.
I'm okay, miss. I'm okay.
Don't you dare put your hand through my grill.
This can't be real, miss. I am okay. I can see that you are okay too, because the other rest doesn't look like you. The other rest look like us. Look at my friend. we're happy. We're okay.
Yeah, we're okay.
Come on, man, open up. We need somewhere to rest. We need some good food.
I can't let you inside here. I don't believe that you don't infected by the virus. I'm scared.
Yeah,
Don't touch my grill.
no need to be scared, man. Look. This is my friend.
Yeah,
I'm okay, right?
we're okay.
We're okay, man. We're not infected.
I'm not
Is it a-
infected.
Hold on,
How
hold
can
on.
I prove that?
Hold on. What can we do to make you see that we are
I
not?
don't know at this specific moment. You need to convince me so that I'm sure
Look.
what I'm doing.
Zombies cannot drink rum. Infected people cannot drink rum. Look at me and my friend right now. Look. You see that? Come on, you need a shot. Take a shot, man.
No, thank you. No, thank you. I don't want to drink from you guys. Okay. I think I will try to help you. What can
Yeah.
I do for you?
We need somewhere to stay for the night. We need to shower. We need to
No,
some
no,
food.
no, no. Listen, I'm not gonna let you inside my house. I'll let you stay on the veranda, okay?
Okay.
And I'm gonna close my door.
All
You're
right.
gonna be okay. I will close the grill.
Look, you're a lady. We more to protect you.
I do not want no protection from you guys. I'm just gonna
What are
help
you
you
gonna
out
do
for
with
the
that?
night.
Look. You see that? That's not gonna work. Looks what's
What's
gonna
that?
work. This is gonna
I'm
work.
not scared of that. I used to work in the army.
No, but I'm telling you, the people that has the virus, that's not gonna work with them.
I don't care. And you have that and you want me to let you inside my home?
No, look.
Like, seriously?
This is my friend. I'm a security guard, right? We work at the factory together, right? So the storm came and
No factories there. Everything broke down.
Listen, I'm telling you what's happened. The hurricane Melissa came, right? And we got trapped at the factory, right? We both live in Black River. Now we're trying to reach home to our family. But guess what? We realized that something happened to the people like them. Like there's a disease.
Listen.
But I mean, you're telling
Let me
us.
see inside that. You need to take out those things that you have inside your gun.
No, it's safe.
Take it out.
Ma'am, look, I can show you my ID. I'm a security guard.
You
ma'am.
want me to let you inside my house with a gun full of
Ma'am. Ma'am, I will protect
Live.
you. I'll try to protect you. Look,
Let
I'm
me
a
see.
security guard. I'm telling you the truth, ma'am. See? See? I work at the factory, at Froome Sugar Factory. I'm a security guard there, man.
And who are
This
you?
is my,
Ma'am.
he works in the factory.
Yes, and we really need some rest, ma'am.
I'm gonna let you stay on this veranda for the
Yeah,
night,
man.
and then in the morning, you have to go.
He's
You understand?
kind of sickly, you know, so, we have to take our time with it.
Hang on a little bit. I'm coming. Just
Yes,
give me
ma'am.
a second.
Yeah, man.
Okay, I can help you by giving you a bottle of water, to
Water.
drink.
Thank you very much.
Here you go.
I think he had as much coconut water this morning. We had a whole tree.
That's
Well, it's
okay.
okay though. We have some water here if you would like some too.
No, thank you.
Okay. Yeah, man. Oh, sorry. It's been a while now, man. We haven't sleep. You know, we need some good rest. Thank you, man. Should I? No need to be afraid. It's okay. Please put that down. Trust me, please.
No.
It's okay.
You have your thing and I have mine. That's okay. I will hold it
All
in my
right.
hand.
Where's
Don't
the
worry
key?
about this. I'm not gonna harm you.
Where's the key?
No, it's okay. Nobody's gonna trouble you. Everybody gone.
No,
Nobody
ma-
left.
No,
Only you two.
Ma'am, look, it's crazy out there. There's a lot of them out there right now. Please, trust me, lock it. Lock it with the key. You say that there's no one out there. Okay, how come you see us then?
No. Can you go over a little bit more, please? Thank you.
Thank you.
You can have a seat there.
You don't have like any seat in
No,
there,
you
extra
have to
seat.
sit. I can't give you my next chair. I don't know if this chair is infected. Just sit down on the floor.
Okay,
Sit on the floor.
it's okay, man.
Pull this one.
It's safe right here, bro. Thank you, man. You have any food in there?
Yes, I can give you something to eat.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Here you go, bro.
Please, bro.
Man, she locked us out. John was star. Hey, we gotta get some rest. First thing in the morning, we gotta leave out. You know what I mean?
Yes, bro.
Because we're heading to Black River. We must find our family, man.
Here you go.
Thank you very much, man.
For the both of you.
Yes.
Where you say you work again?
Oh, we both work at the sugar factory. Room Sugar Factory.
And what do you do there?
Oh, I'm the man who chop cane. I work in the field.
You work in the field like is chop the sugar cane. Yeah.
And what did you say you do?
I'm a security guard, I just told you, man.
Okay. Anyway, you don't need to worry, okay?
What's your name
Because-
again, please? What's your name again?
Priscilla.
Miss Priscilla, I'm very scared of that.
No, it's okay. I have to keep this thing in my hand. I sleep with this and I wake up with this.
I know, I understand. But
Yes.
no worries, man. We got rounds, you know?
I don't know you from nowhere. I just need to hold this in my hand.
Damn. It's
And
sharp.
remember, you have weapon on you. I can't trust people like that. Just remember, I didn't have to take you guys
I
in.
understand, I
And
understand.
I take you guys in, even though I'm not gonna let you go inside. I still take you in because you're on my veranda for the night. I hope that tomorrow you will leave and don't worry about it because the virus that take over the place after Melissa, you know, the hurricane,
Yes,
it
we
is
know
very
you're okay.
dangerous.
We know. It blows down the factory. Right now the factory that we work is flat. Right now we are worried about our family. But we got some service on the phone and we called them. We heard that they're at the come on, I'm so tired. The shelter in Black River.
Don't worry about it. I hear the copter.
Yes.
I heard it every day moving.
Yeah,
around.
we tried to make it on that helicopter. Wonder if it's the same helicopter. But
No,
it
it's
left us.
it's a lot of them. They come down real low because they're videoing the place and to see what's going on to put it on the news
So where did it
people
come
can.
from though?
Huh?
America?
No, it's come from all over overseas, and it come to Jamaica to view the place, you know, so people from overseas can watch the news and see what's going on in Jamaica. The virus is very bad. It's called a J virus. So
Hold on. It's a disease or a virus?
I think it's maybe a virus. I don't think it's a disease.
It's a virus, bro, because the behavior of the people is different. Like, they're behaving like, you know what I mean? Like, only a virus can let you behave like
a
that.
zombie thing?
Yeah, they're behaving like a zombie or something.
Okay, all right. I think there's a pole up there that I pick up my signal sometimes. Yes.
You climb that
Yes,
pole
I
right there, man?
have a tall ladder that I go up on every day to pick
Miss
up
Priscilla,
signal.
you don't afraid you
No,
fall
I'm not
off that
scared.
thing
I'm
right
not
there?
scared. I'm not scared of that. I used to it. I go up there and pick up my signal. So I know the copter is coming like tomorrow to pick up some people to bring to Black River, so you guys can get yourself ready for it.
Look, I'm telling you, Miss Priscilla, don't depend on that captor. We tried to make it on that captor, and we ran our breath out.
You guys was not lucky enough
Listen,
time, but they took a lot of people there.
Miss Priscilla, first thing in the morning, we are going to walk to Black River. Right? I think we have about 7 miles left. That way is south. That way is Black River, right?
That way, yes.
Yeah, so we'll walk first thing in the morning. We're not going to depend on the captain because our hearts were so broken when that
But you guys
captain left
seems
us,
like
you know?
you never eaten from morning. You looking so hungry.
And someone bit it. Oh shit.
You guys look real hungry. I'm glad I can help you guys out.
Yeah, for real.
What happened to his hand? It's bleeding real hard.
To tell you
But I'm scared to touch it.
Miss Priscilla,
See, this is the reason why you have to go with the copter tomorrow, so they can get some medication and dress that cut.
Yeah, because he fell, you know.
Yeah, and he's looking real weak. I think he kind of look a little bit different from you. His eyes look a little bit different. Yes.
No, he's okay. Come on, he's okay, Miss Priscilla. Come on, he's my friend. He's okay. He's a good guy, man. Come on, Miss Priscilla, man. He's okay, man. We're gonna get him some help. The bleeding kept bleeding, but by the time we get him to the Black River and find our family, and everything is gonna be alright, Okay. We can't leave him.
Okay, all right, and I think
To tell you something, he and I, we are friends from ever since we were going to kindergarten. So no matter what, I can't leave
it's
him.
getting late now, and I need to go inside, so I'm gonna go to my bed. I'll talk to you guys in the morning, okay?
Yes. Do you have any drink, like, apart from water in there? I don't know.
I have a lot of stuff, but I don't think I can find them because when the weather came, I packed up everything. But I'm promising you this.
okay.
I'll
It's
promise
okay.
you in the morning. I'll try to find something to give you to eat before you leave. Okay?
All right. First thing in the morning, we're gonna leave,
Okay.
and I hope you see the helicopter, because trust me, it's very hard to get on that helicopter.
All right. So it's kind of late now. It's real dark outside.
All right,
I need
Mr.
to go
Sir.
inside. Okay.
Good night.
Okay. Good night.
Oh, crackers, bro. It's a very nice day, man. I'm going to my bed now, man. Hey, first thing in the morning. I mean, she said she locked this thing. Oh, let me lock it. That's it now. See you in the morning, bro. Damn, bro. This place is really devastated by the hurricane, man. Look at it. Mash up.
That's true, bro. Give me another shot, bro.
I gotta take another shot as well. Just to see the place like this. Trust me. I have to keep numb, you know? I have to stay numb. Yeah, man. Boy, we have to stay numb in these times, you know. Damn. Let's go, bro. I'm so glad we find this rum, man. Man. I'm telling you, boy. It's a pity we have to move, man. This Stella is a nice lady, man.
She's a good one.
I hope she get rescued, you know. I hope she see that helicopter. 'Cause I know that's very impossible, man. Hold on. One more. It's finishing, man, but you know. Yeah, man. Let's go, man.
Let's go. It's rough, bro. Hey, bro. Hey, bro. Oh, shit. Hey. Stand back. Come on, bro. Let's go, bro. Let's go, bro.
Oh, there's a beacon right there. Come on, bro. Hey, don't come no closer. Oh. It's...
I'm here to help you, don't worry. The helicopter is waiting on us to take us to the shelter in Black River. Come inside the car. Come now.
Come, let's go,
You
bro.
need to hurry.
Let's go, bro.
He's bleeding.
Bro. Remember, I'm infected, bro.
He's bleeding. He's getting weak.
Bro, we got to go, bro.
No, bro, you go, bro.
No, bro, I can't leave you, bro.
No go, bro. Just stay to the front.
Bro, I can't leave you, bro.
I will deal with whoever coming at us. I'm gonna deal with them.
You sure, bro?
Cannot go, bro. Infected, bro. Bro, I cannot do it, bro.
Let's go.
Bro, come on, man. We gotta go, man. Come in the car, man. Bro. Alright.
Let's go. The helicopter
Bro.
is waiting.
Bro, come on, bro.
Oh, bro.
He's bleeding. Why he's not coming?
Come on.
He's getting weak. Look, he's gonna
No.
die. Come in the car. Come in the car.